Hello lovely people, I know that this face looks really blank, but that's because we're going to be doing some Instagram inspired makeup on it today. And I have my foundation on, my concealer, my eyebrows, the base is laid and it's ready for that Instagram makeup. I told you in my previous video that we're going to be doing something very intense, very time consuming. Well, I didn't tell you about the time consuming part, but if it's intense, it's also going to be time consuming, but I'm not mad about that. I'm actually so excited to spend like half of my day painting my face. But let me show you what we're going to be doing. I am speechless. Guys, check this look out. I'm gonna be creating two seasons on my face. We have the winter on the one side of the face and the summer on the other side of the face. This look is created by Serena Nexi, and I'm gonna have a link to her Instagram page down in the description box, and you guys should go and check her out because her Instagram page will bring color to your life. I'm telling you, her work is absolutely wonderful and always so colorful, so dreamy, so out of this planet. Ooh, check this one out. Wow, I'm obsessed with palettes. I'm obsessed with palettes. Yes, that's true, but this is not what I wanted to say. I wanted to say that I'm obsessed with planets and stars and galaxies, and this look, oh my god, it screams my name. Okay, listen, I need to decide which side of my face I want to be winter and which summer. I like summer more than winter. Oh no, I like summer more, so I need to decide which side of my face I like more so that I can create the summer on it. And I already know that because my right side of my face is my favorite side of my face. Summer here, winter here. I'm gonna start off with the cold eye first, and then I'm gonna do the hot eye. If you're just listening and you're not watching, this sounded really weird. I'll start off by taking the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'll take on a fluffy brush this nice cyan shade. And I've already have my eyes primed, so this is going straight into my crease. Now I'm not really worried about the eyeshadows and the eye look. I'm I'm a little bit worried about the face part. Like, I need to draw those snowflakes on my face and the flowers. Next up, I'm gonna take this deeper blue shade again from that BH Cosmetics palette. Actually, I can't really see the sides of her face, so I'm kind of guessing here. But this is going in the, let's say, in the outer half of my face. This brush is, it's a no-no for this. So this is going right in here. Oh gosh, I need something more pigmented. Okay, this is a palette by Huda Beauty. I'm gonna take this very nice and intense blue shade, and I'm gonna place that in here. Yep, this is what I needed. Oh, so cool. Just gonna blend it out a little bit here. And you know what? I'll also bring that light blue shade under my eye. I'm gonna really smoke it out. I can see that she really intensified that lower lash line. Okay, spent half an hour blending off camera, but it's totally worth it. I'm just kidding, I'm over exaggerating. It was more like 10 minutes. It's gonna be really weird if somebody knocked my door now and I need to open. Like, how do I explain this? Here is when the things get a little bit complicated because I just can't do the things like that. I just can't let one of my eyes to be sitting there waiting for me to take care of it while I'm giving all of my attention to the other eye and making it look beautiful. It's just not fair. So I'm gonna start doing the hot eye as well. I'm gonna be, taking care of them at the same time. This is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette by Stacey Marie, and I'll take the shade called Lit right here. Look at that nice orangey shade. Ooh, I absolutely love this palette, you guys. Whenever I'm doing more colorful looks, whenever I'm going for some drama on my face, this is the palette that I know that will do the job. I'm starting to look like the girlfriend of the Joker. I forgot her name, she was really famous. Harley Quinn. I actually googled that. This orange color actually looks red, and I was not going for that. So let me take some of this orangey shade. This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. She mentioned in the caption of the video that she used the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So I'm gonna take some of this red shade here I don't know if this is what she used for the hot eye, but this is what I'm going to use. I really hope that the term hot eye or cold eye doesn't mean something bad in English. Like, I literally came up with this, and it's going to be so awkward if they mean some kind of a disease or something. Like, hold on, let me Google that. Okay, we're good with the hot eye. Cold eye. Cold eye. Oh, there's actually a movie, Cold Eyes. Haha. Interesting. Okay, I think that we're good with those terms. I'm gonna kinda like smudge this shade. But she used something more orangey. Mine is coming out red. I added some yellow eyeshadow in my crease, and when it mixed with the red, it came out orange. Nice. We're good. I can tell that we have something like a half cut crease going on. So let's cut that crease. I want to try to do something that I've never done before. It's very risky, but I want to try to cut my crease with a liquid highlighter. I know, unusual, but hey, I'm gonna get this iconic illuminator in the shade, what is the shade? Shine. Oh, I love it. Nice. In the caption, she mentioned that she used the Huda Beauty Winter Edition highlighter palette, but the highlighters in that palette are a little bit too dark for me. So I'm gonna take the Pink Sands Edition highlighter palette by Huda, and on the one eye, I'm gonna use the highlighter Santorini to set, you know, that liquid highlighter that I used to cut my crease. And on the hot eye, I'm gonna use this shade here. It has more gold undertones. I'm using the same eyeliner that she used. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I also put on the same style of lashes that she's wearing. These are the Huda Beauty in the style Sasha. Okay, I'm gonna give my eyes a little bit of a break and we're moving on to the fun part. I'll start off with the snowflakes. Let me count how many there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, and the flowers are...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh! They're equal. I'm getting so anxious. Okay, so I'm taking this OFRA Cosmetics Fix Line eyeliner in the shade Stairway to Heaven. It's this beautiful sky blue shade, and this brush is actually not suitable. Alrighty guys, we're doing that. No, this is way too small. Hold on. Oh my god, disaster. Why is it so difficult to draw snowflakes? I mean, the last time I drew snowflakes was in kindergarten. Okay. At the roundabout, take the first exit. Doesn't look bad for a snake. Doesn't look that bad for a first snowflake in like, I don't know, 18 years. Okay, I see that she also added some white eyeliner in the center, so I'm gonna follow that. Now is the scariest part, because I need to outline that. So I'm gonna take a deeper shade of blue on a very detailed brush. I'm scared. Okay, I may look a little bit different. That's because it's a different day for me. The magic of editing. Yesterday I had to stop filming, go wash all of my makeup that I've done, and do some other stuff that I needed to do. But today, I'm back and I'm doing it all over again. I did everything again today, right where I had to stop yesterday, so we keep on moving from now on. I think that the snowflake actually came out way better today. See, practice makes perfect. Meanwhile, I found out that she created this look again, like this is the updated version of this look. She did it one more time, and there are a few changes. I don't know which look I want to do now. I'm kind of confused. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going with the old one, and if I like something from the updated one, I'm gonna just add it to the old one. Yeah, let's go ahead and highlight this face. I'm actually gonna add some blush to the hot side only. This is my OFRA Bellini, and now I'm taking my lovely OFRA, ouch, my finger, ow, okay. And now I'm taking this OFRA Glow Up highlighter palette, and on the cold side I will use this highlighter here. It's more like frosty, more cool toned highlighter. And on the warm side I'll actually mix these two highlighters here. the nose is also very highlighted. I like that. I have some weird texture in between my eyebrows, and it's kind of dangerous to use highlighter in this area here, but hey. Maybe it's because I'm all the time plucking off the hairs, you know, in between my brows. I don't want to have an unibrow. Maybe that makes the skin in between my eyebrows really angry because I'm, you know, disturbing it all the time. And that's why it's all bumpy. And can you see that texture in that area? It's really annoying. Oh gosh, I think that I overdid this highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the snowflakes. I'm using this eyeliner by, what is this, Lime Crime? Yeah, I think it's Lime Crime. And the shade is Blue Milk. Whew, this took me a while, not gonna lie. I have two bad news and one good news. The good news is that I'm almost done with this part of my face. However, the first bad news is that I have to do the other side of my face, which is also going to take me a while. And the second bad news is that my eye makeup is creasing so bad, it's not even a joke. It's sabotaging me, and I'm out of focus again. Yeah, I'll need to do some touch-ups on the eye makeup. I want to finish up this side of my face with some white dots everywhere. I think that the flowers will be a little bit more complicated than the snowflakes. So I'm gonna kind of outline them first and see how they're going to be placed. Give myself some guidelines. I'm also improvising a little bit, like I'm trying to do what she did, I'm trying to copy the look, but I can't place the flowers or the sunflakes at the... Sunflakes? Sunflakes? If something like that existed, how would it look like? Oops, I'm trying to say that I can't place the flowers exactly like she did because we have different faces. I'm trying to make this look work for my face and for my features. I think that I should have been a little bit more prepared for this look because I'm using eyeliners. I'm using the Makeup Forever Aqua Color Paints. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Using eyeliner is not the best idea because you need to use a very thin layer or else it cracks. But if you want to build up the color and make it pop, you gotta use a thicker layer. So the eyeliners are cracking and I can't be precise and draw stuff on top of them. It's just getting a little bit difficult. So yeah, if you decide to recreate this look or any kind of like face paint art kind of look, I recommend you use face paint. I think that they will work way better than just some colorful eyeliners. And also what I find really important with this look is the shading. Like make sure that you use some shadows, you use some highlights, because if you don't, all of the elements will look like stickers. I don't think that you want to look like some 5-year-old put stickers all over your face, right? I just love how kids just don't care, you know? If they feel like they want to put stickers on your face, they will. You can't stop them. And you feel like you need to act like you're enjoying it because you don't want to hurt the feelings of a 5-year-old. Summary side, check. Now on the new version of the look that she did, on the summary side, I see that she added some white dots, and I think that it's a great idea because that way I can fill in the gaps and it can look a little bit more full. The winter side looks nice and completed, where the summary side, it's like something is missing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those dots on the summary side as well. Right, now I'm gonna add some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I put a wig on. I look like I have a mop on my head. It's a really cheap wig. If you know a website for good quality wigs, let me know down in the comments. This is a pretty cheap one. I got it from eBay and you've already seen it, but I'm trying not to make it work. But I'm loving it though. I think that it looks great with this more unusual look, and I think that it definitely completes it. Now for lipstick, I saw that in the caption of the video she said that she used the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Grim. I don't have that shade, but I have Ashen, and I think that they're not exactly the same, but they're kind of similar, so I'm gonna use it today. I used to love this color, by the way. I used to wear it all the time. Alright, and this is our final look. Wow, you guys, check this out. It's so beautiful. I'm happy with how it came out. Honestly, it was a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of work, okay? I've never actually painted my face with flowers and sunflakes. Why am I always saying sunflakes? Snowflakes. I could have definitely done a better job with the outlining and maybe with the colors, but the eyeliners that I was using were very dried out. They were kind of odd. I was not happy with how they were working. This is a very extreme look for me. I've never spent that much time drawing my face. But you know me, I like challenging myself. Completing a task that you know that it's difficult and it's gonna take you a very long time. The feeling that you get after completing that task is amazing. I knew that I won't be the best at drawing all of this stuff on my face. I know that it could be way better. I know that with practice I could make it look even better, but this is my first time creating it and I'm so happy with how it came out. I'm so proud of myself. I guess you could definitely tell how excited I was for today's look just from my energy. I just feel so happy when I'm creating those Instagram inspired looks because I feel more free to do stuff with makeup that I wouldn't usually do if I was creating more, you know, toned down look. I love the freedom of being creative, and guys, you should definitely check out Serena's Instagram. Go follow her. She has some really magical looks. Such a nice feet. Like, I see people like that on Instagram and I wanna grab my most colorful eyeshadows and paint my face with the colors of the rainbow. I'm just getting so inspired from people like her. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which is your favorite season, summer or winter. I promise you the next Instagram inspired look is going to be a little bit more toned down because honestly I don't know how we ended here. We started from this and it escalated so quickly to this, but I'm not even mad. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you guys had fun watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button because that way you're going to be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also go and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links are down in the description box. I want to thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!